Septiani Nur Afifah.
My name is Nana Dewi Komala.
My name is Kiranita.
My name is Hanwak Manasidik.
We from the group of 13 will explain the 4 destinations that we will visit from the 2-day 1-night package.
To Wedding in Pangandaran is located in the Batuyu tourism attraction. Particularly in the Kilian village, Parigi district, Pangandaran Regency is about 30 minutes from Pangandaran tourism object. So if we can visit Batuyu, you should stop by to see adorable turtle. There is not only one type of turtle in captivity, but there are various types of turtle, such as horsebill green turtle, leatherback, and leatherhead turtle. These turtles are obtained from the beach or from fishermen who accidentally get the turtle entangled in their net.
At first, Penanjung Pangandaran Ferry was opened and occupied by fishermen from the Sundanese trip. The reason for migrants to prefer the Pangandaran area to be a place to live is because of the small sea was that make it easy to find fish. Because on Pangandaran beach there is a land jutting into the sea, which is now a nature reserve or protected process forest. This cap is what blocks was from reaching the beach. This is where the fishermen make it a place to store boats, which in Sundanese are called. And thereafter a while many have come to this place and settled, so that it becomes a failed called Pangandaran. Pangandaran comes from the two words food and daran, which means food is food and bird is immigrant. So Pangandaran means the source of food for migrants.
Chitumang is already familiar to the public, especially in the Pangandaran area. Chitumang tourism object is a natural tourist attraction that has an attraction, namely the Chitumang River, which flows through the thick forest with its clear bluish water. The location is in Sukamana, Bojong, Parigi District, Pangandaran Regency. Chitumang is also one of the popular destinations in Pangandaran Regency. The same thing as Green Canyon tourism. Chitumang attractions are not only visited by local tourists, but also have been visited by many tourists from abroad, so that now the name has changed to Green Valley Chitumang, with the aim of making Chitumang's popularity more global and able to compete with others in Pangandaran. Based on the stories community leaders, during the era of the kingdoms in Indonesia, they began to experience decline and collapse. There was someone from royal descent trying to find information about the cause of the decline and collapse of the kingdom. The royal descendants went by boat as they crossed the river, but the river experienced a drought and eventually the boat got choked in the river, and I don't know where the royal descendants who were on the boat until now. Then the story was heard until the community was given the name Ciparahu, which is the tapak lalampahan and trout and the royal descent. In the next few years, there were some who saw the river, but to the east of the Ciparahu River, there is a waterfall whose furnace or hau in Javanese is called tumang, which the uniques of the Ciparahu River. And finally, around the waterfall area, it was named by the community as Citumang, which is the water of the waterfall associated with the furnace or Citumang. Another version also states that the Citumang comes from a legend about a crocodile Citumang. So strong is the people's belief in the presence of this crocodile that until now it has 11 names that stick strongly to the name of the river. There are also those who say that Citumang comes from Chai. Sundanese language is water, with its height or Chai Numpang, which is related to river water that flows underground. Over time, its name becomes Citumang. 500 meters from the location of the bed to the upstreams, you will find a natural champ in the form of the Citumang River that enters the bowels of the earth and comes out again downstream. The river that enters the cave is named Taringgul Cave, which is then given a new name as Sanghyang Tikoro, Batara Tenggorokan. Pangandaran Nature Tourism Park and Nature Reserve. In 1922, in this tourist park was an agricultural land that was purchased by a Dutch who later inaugurated as a wild reserve. Due to the large number of flora and fauna it is. In 1961, this area was designated as a nature reserve because of the potential that could be used support for natural tourism in Pangandaran. In 1978, the nature reserve was made a tourist park under the management of Perum Perhutani. Flora that can be found in the tourist park include Thailand monkey, langur, bats, banteng deer, mouse deer, hedgehogs, lizard, and several types of snakes, including snakes, while the types of the bird includes cenghar, tut, stake, cipau, and jagjok. Secondary, forests in the nature tourist park are inhabited by flora which are more dominated by laban, kisagel, merong, Phimoustres, Barringtoniatres, and many others.
So of us more or less we apologize. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.